Morning, friends. Welcome back to another AMST class. We are in 6th unit, right? So, in this session, we need to discuss about the last two topics of 6th unit. Let me share some share screen to you all. Look at here, evaluation of economic factors and the technical factors, right? So here, the last two topics we are spending in this we are discussing in this class, right? So look at here, economic evaluation of economic factors and technical factors. So this is the ninth topic, and the last topic is here feasibility study report. These two topics we are discussing now. All these topics we completed, right? Right. Look at this slide, ninth topic, evaluation, economic factors and the technical factors. These technical factors have another slide. So this is technical factors, impact of technology upon the economies and the plant level changes and social implications. So these are the technical factors. This is the political factors. So today's class, this slide, these two slides, and the next to last topic from 6th unit is feasibility study report. So here we have these slides, right? Feasibility study report. So feasibility studies types and feasibility study process and the benefits of feasibility study. These subtopics we need to discuss in the name of feasibility study report, right? So first of all, coming to this ninth topic, evaluate economic and technical factors. So first of all, this thing is here, factors for economic development, and next technical development, technical factors. So now look at here, political stability, microeconomic stability, level of infrastructures, natural resources, educational standards, saving rates or foreign aids, barrier to trades. These are the 7 different factors influencing the economic development of our country. So what is meant by economic development? So first of all, we need to know, before going to know these all factors, first of all, we should understand the economic development. So what is meant by economic development? So economic means the finance. Development means financially development, financially development planning, and financially development of our country. So that is here the economic development. So for in organizational sense, in company view, economic development means the company financial position is improving. So improves the financial position of the company. Once again, I want to repeat, improve the financial position of the company, right? That is called as here economic development. For our total country, domestic country, financial development of the total nation. For in the sense of organization, economic development means improve the financial position of the company, improve the financial position of the companies. So that is meant by here economic development. So economic means financially development, financially improvement, monetary or money related developments in our organization is called as here economic development. Money related development, right? Or financially development or improve the financial position of our company is called as here economic development, right? So these are the factors to influence this economic development. So first one is political stability. So it is the one of the key factor to improve our financial positions. Suppose take the example of some political leaders there, TDP, YSRCP, Janasena. These are the different political parties we have in our state. So our economical development or our organizational financial position and development is based upon the political parties. Political parties. And also our state development is developed. Our state financial development is also based upon the political leaders. Political leaders, right? Next, so if political parties and political leaders and their plans are effective, then the companies as well as the state financial and economic development are there. If the political leaders are ineffective, then our economical development or financial development may be decrease. Next, another factor is here, macroeconomic stabilities. Macroeconomic stabilities. So macro in the sense very large, huge. So this economic stability means the throughout country, throughout the nation, the total, all the nations and their economic development and economic stability will leads to our financial economic stability, right? So macroeconomic stability means here the total country and their economic performance and their financial stabilities and their economic performances will leads to develop our internal financial performance, right? Internal financial performance. And next coming to here, the level of infrastructures. Infrastructure means a buildings, infrastructure of internal organization. So it is another factor to develop our financial stabilities. And next, the using of natural resources. So here natural resources, not the single resource. So resources means here finance, money, men, machinery, materials and methods. But here these are the natural resources. Natural resources means here hills, trees, rivers, oxygen. These are the few resources, natural resources, right? So these natural resources will leads to development of a finance or economic development. Next, educational standards of the employees and employers. So a right education will leads to a right improvement of the organization. Am I right or not? So here educational standards, it will definitely leads to financially improvement in our organization, right? So educational standards will improve our financial position of the companies. So it is another factor of economic development. Next, savings rates or foreign aid. Saving rates of a person's savings, right? Anybody wants to secure and save their money, right? So here saving rate means just not to have the major expenses, unnecessary expenses, just minimize the costs and minimize the savings of timings. So here saving rates, time savings and money savings. These are the major two parts will leads to development of our financial position or economic development. This saving rates is not only applicable for the organizations, it is also applicable for in our personal life also. In our personal life, some of the persons may misuse of their money, right? Then just expenses misuse. I mean, unnecessary expenses they spend, right? So just try to reduce the unnecessary expenses and try to reduce the saving of your money. So it will leads to your financial development improves, right? Improves your financial development by using unnecessary expenses and savings of your money, right? So in the same, the companies also reducing the unnecessary expenses and reduce the costs for different business activities, and it will leads to economically development of the organization. And foreign aid, just make a agreement and make a transactions with the foreign. So it will also leads to development of the economy. So these are the next coming to the here barriers to trade. So trade means business. So barriers means some problems. So to solve the problems of the business. So solve the problems of the business. So here a trade or a business having number of problems, right? And having the number of risk levels. So try to reduce the risk levels and try to reduce the problems. That is called as here barriers to trade. So to solve the problems of the companies, it will lead to economic development. So these are all the different factors for economic factors. And coming to the next slide, technical factors. Look at here, next slide, technical factors. So this slide, this chart will deals about the technical factors and their impact upon the economies and the plant level changes and the social implications. Okay, so first coming to the social implications. So social means the society. So through our technological factors, through our technological changes, this impact will upon the social implications, the social. So our technical changes or our technical technology will impact upon the society. So here that is called as here social implication, social implications or society impact. So here look at the first point here, higher expectations of the consumers. By using technology and by having the technical factors, we can reach the expectations of the consumer. What consumer wants, what type of product and what type of design, what type of quality, what type of features customer wants. Just then by using this technology, we can reach, we can meet the customer expectations, right? Next, system complexities. So by using these technical factors, we can make and we can arrange an effective system in our companies, right? Next, social changes. Social changes means the society's changes, the society attitude. The society means here, friends.